headings in HTML. So let's get started. Let's get started with the first point that I've written here is HTML provides not only plain paragraph tags. It means in HTML we just don't have the simple plain or paragraphs. We have got 6 header tags to indicate headings of various sizes and thicknesses, and they are all enumerated as heading 1 through heading 6. In HTML we have got 6 indicate headings, and they have various sizes and thicknesses, and they start from heading 1 to heading 6. Heading 1 has got the largest and thickest text, while heading 6 is the smallest and thinnest one. And in HTML, headings can be used to describe the topic they precede, and they are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. And headings support all the global attributes as well. And every heading that we use in HTML has got its own size and its own thickness. So whenever you are using H1, so it will have its own font size and it will have its own thickness as well. And whenever you are using H6, it will have its own font size and its own thickness. And H1 has got defines the most important heading. It means it has got the largest text size or font size, and H6 has got the least important heading, and it has got the least font size as well. And they can be defined like this. You have to start it with an angle bracket. After that you have to write H, and after that which heading are you using. If you are using heading 1, you just have to simply write 1. If you are using heading 2, so just write down 2. If you are using heading 3, so just write down 3. And if you are using heading 4, you just have to write down 4. If you are using heading 5, you just have to write down 5. And if you are just using heading 6, you just have to write down H6. And after that you just have to close the angle bracket. After that you just have to close the heading tag as well. Heading tags has got an opening tag and a closing tag as well. And in the middle you can write down your text, the text you want to be displayed in the web browser. So I'll just simply show it to you in our code editor. If you want to use a heading or simply heading 1, you just have to write down angle bracket. After that you have to write H, and after that which heading are you using? H1. So I'll just write 1, and after that you have to close the angle bracket and close your tag as well. If you are on Visual Studio Code, so Visual Studio Code will do it by itself. And in the middle you can write down the text you want to be displayed in your web browser. So I'll just write down FMK tech. And after saving it, whenever I will go to my web page, I'll open my web page here. I'll just click on it, and it will be opened in my web browser. So whenever we will see our web page, we will have this text FMK tech. And if I'm writing it in heading 2, how will it look? I'll show you guys all the headings till heading 6. So I'll just change this with to heading 2. You just have to press the Alt button and you can do the same as me. Heading 2. I'll just write down here heading 3. And you will see the difference between these headings. The size difference and the bold or thickness difference. I'll just write down H4, and after that I'll write H5. And at the end I will write H6. And now I will go to my web page and reload my web page, and you can do the same by pressing F5 button as well. If you want to use keyboard shortcuts, so you can simply click on F5 button and you will see it. Look at here, we have got heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and it's heading 5, and it's heading 6. They are all the same, but they have got they have not got the same font size, and they don't have the same thickness as well. H6 is the thinnest one and the smallest one, but H1 has got the largest text in it. So this was all about the headings in HTML. I hope you have got the point. Inshallah, the next video will be uploaded very soon. So wait for the next video.